Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to find the limit. So I will put about e to the power of f and 8 equals to capital 8. So this one, that is about capital 8. Now we need to transform this one into this one. So we have like this. So I will put the limit goal here. So we need to focus on this one. So we have the second formula in here. So this one that is about capital 8. This one that is about capital B. Now we need to transform this one into this one. So we have like this. So I will put and goal here. So when n approaches to positive infinity, number 1 divided by positive infinity, you got number 0 in here. This one you got number 0. Fn number 1, that is about number 0. So we have 0 over 0. So we can use F hospital. That means we need to do first derivative on numerator and denominator. And now we have the formula in here. So if we do first derivative for the both sides, and we got like this. Now we can apply the formula in here, and we have like this. This one we have negative 1 over n squared. So first derivative of number 1, that is about number 0. This one, that is about negative number 2 over n squared. And now we need to simplify negative n squared. When n approaches to positive infinity, this one you got number 0. And we have number 2. So we need to put number 2 go back in here. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.